Hello everyone and welcome to eToro. Today we will learn how to copy another trader and how to set a copy stop loss. eToro is home to more than 7 million users, and our social trading features are one of the reasons our trading platform is so unique. Our patented CopyTrader technology enables traders who lack time or experience to attach some of their funds to other traders, essentially letting them trade for them by replicating everything they do in real time. Let's see how this is done. From the Copy People page, you can locate the trader you wish to copy. You can browse through our top traders across various categories. Search for traders that suit your needs using the search option, and even fine-tune your results using the advanced search option. As you can see, there are plenty of traders to choose from. Another great option is the Editor's Choice section, which highlights popular investors that caught our editor's attention. If you hover over an investor, you can read a short bio about them and their trading habits. Now let's see how we copy someone. This is Martin. If we look at his stats, we can see that he's had quite an impressive year so far. There are 4 tabs on each eToro trader's profile. The Stats tab shows valuable information such as risk score, which is a numeric value representing that trader's risk appetite, with 1 being the lowest and 10 the highest. You can also see number of copiers, portfolio composition, and more. The Feed tab shows all of the trader's recent social activity on eToro. Often, popular investors share their insights and explain their trading decision, so be sure to read their recent posts. There's also another important section here, the trader's bio. This is where traders can introduce themselves, communicate their trading strategy, and often state their recommended amount for copying them. There's also the Portfolio tab, which shows what assets the investor trades, and the chart, showing a simulation of what a $10,000 investment in them would yield. Now, let's open a copy position. First, click the big blue Copy button. A pop-up will appear with a few simple parameters for you to input. Set the amount you wish to copy. Remember that our top traders often share their recommendations on how much you should invest when copying them in their bio. Next, set your copy stop loss. This is the minimum amount you would like to see back in your account, in case the copy relationship is unsuccessful and you lose some of your funds. The default is set to 60%. Therefore, if you lose 40% of your invested amount, the copy position will be closed and the remaining funds will be returned to your account. Remember, some traders have long-term strategies that take losses into consideration, so make sure to read the trader's bio and see if they make any recommendations regarding the copy stop loss setting. Lastly, choose whether or not you wish to copy open trades. If you uncheck this box, you will only copy trades that were opened after you started copying this trader, and you will not copy trades that they currently have open. This is also something many traders refer to in their bios. That's it. Once you've decided on all these parameters, click Copy and that trader will be added to your portfolio. A pop-up will appear confirming that you are now copying this person. You will also notice a new segment within the trader's profile, detailing the status of your copy relationship. You can go to your portfolio and see all of the traders you are currently copying. By clicking the blue cogwheel, you can perform a variety of actions, such as adding or removing funds, editing the copy stop loss, and stopping or pausing the copy relationship. Pausing means that the copied positions you have open will remain open, but no new positions will be open. That's it for now. You're now ready to copy other traders on the eToro social trading platform. It was our pleasure having you here. Happy trading!